Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I don't want it to be too long. I want to show you something the fix to Lottie animation that normally or sometimes it crash your app whenever you implement this Lottie animation in your app in this Sketchware app developer software. So in this video is what we want to go into. Before I will show you the fix, first of all, try the example and see what I'm trying to explain to you in this video. So I have to drag in my Lottie animation. I believe many of you know about this, my Lottie animation. So I drag it in like this. Now I have to add some asset file, Yasin asset file, into my Yasin, but already in this app I have already added it. Maybe any Yasin file that you have in this video. I'm not going to show long on the protocol. I have the video already in my channel. You can check and you see how to add something like this with complete guides to implement or to put Lottie animation in your mobile app. So these are my Yasin file. So the Yasin file is talking about notification. So I've already added notification Yasin file. So what I have to do now is for me to implement any of these Yasin file into my app in Sketchware. So now I want to go into, let's say, notificates. So the thing is notificate. I have to click here to copy the name. Like normally I want to implement it, click rename and I copy it. So if I copy it now, just to copy the name, I don't need to do anything here. Normally you know how to implement it. If you don't know, check this the description. Okay, now I have to click on here events, because I have already added the Lottie animation view. So after I click on the event, I come to my activity. I click on my on create. After this place, what I have to do here is look at it here. I have to drag in the Lottie animation block, as you can see. So I'll click on the view section. So under the view section, I scroll down till I find my library. So this is my library, because this file is in assets, so I have to drag in the one of assets, normally the implementation without custom block. So I select the Lottie widgets. So here we have to paste the name of the Yasin file that we copied. So I have to paste the name. Normally that is how it used to be. You paste it, you save. So I have to put in the speed of it. I drag in the speed block of animation of the Lottie. I select, I put 1. I'm okay. Okay, now let's paste the notificates. Remember the other one was notification 1. Okay, let me use this notification 1 so you be able to get it. Notification 1. So I'm using notification 1.json now. The same file that was there. I believe all of you know about that one. So already I added this one after the first one. So I have to run the app now and see what is going to show. Okay, the app is ready to install. Let's install the app and see what will happen here. Okay, I have to open the app now. As you can see, animation is going. It started showing. So you can see there is an error occur in this project. This is not because the Lottie file is wrong or in JSON or whatever. It's the method that we are using in this one. Sometimes it's because of devices. Some device may crash like this. So for you to avoid your app being rejected in stores during the review, the test of the app, so you have to avoid these errors, because this error may crash the app, but something like this may not pop up on the screen for them to understand it, but it will just automatically close the app in their devices. So what we have to do now, let's go back to our sketchware now to solve this, to fix this issue in a very simple way. What we have to do here is, let assume, go back to our assets. Now any of these, okay, let's still use this notification one. Rename, open rename, and copy it. Copy all the file here. You pick the file. Once you pick the file, go back. I want to show you how to fix it. So you open your OnCreate. After you have opened your OnCreate will be open like this. Drag out this and delete the block, keep the OnCreate empty. So we have to go back to the view. As you are going back to the view, what you need to do is to click on this Lottie view. So you see the highlights here. So you come to this place known as injects, this particular area known as injects. So you click on the injects. As you can see, there is a file somewhere here. There is a file here. As you can see, this file. So this is a file I want to do some correction here. You have to delete this few text known as your file.json. So you delete the text and replace it with that your JSON file you copied from your assets. So you delete it and you replace it. I have pasted my own here. So once you finish it, remember you have to change it from this line app Lottie file name. Now you replace it with that your Lottie file name. So you click on the save, you save it. Now we have saved it. Now you run your app again to update and see if the error will still continue or not. Our app is about to come up now, so we have to update it. I update my own. So once you update, you have to open it and check. I have to open it direct with you. You see the Lottie is still going. Let's see if the error will still show again. After some time, you have to spend a little time on it. I can see there is no error. The issue has been fixed. So sometimes device make this error to come up. Sometimes system and all those things. So to avoid such error and crash, use the method that I just show you instead of the other methods. But all the methods works, but this one I'm showing you is kind of latest and the best methods people may love to use. You also may love to use. I believe this video has been an of help to you. I will advise and I will recommend. I will be happy if you share this video with friends. Share it to the groups. Like the video also, so once someone see the likes that you have put and give to this video, they will also know that this video is an interesting video. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, we have a lot of tutorial on this Sketchware. You click the subscribe button